How to join a private FPL league. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to join a private FPL league. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To join a private league in Fantasy Premier League, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Go ahead and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Leagues and Cups tab and further tap on the Create and Join New Leagues and Cups option. Since we want to join a private league and cup, tap on the Join a League and Cup button and then tap on the Join Invitational League and Cup button. Now, tap on the League Code text box and enter the code and further tap on the Join League button and you will be joined to that particular league. So, this is how you can join a private FPL league. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.